Grandma will be happy today. I will find something good for her.
Wow, so much money. What are you doing here?
Why are you near our car?
I didn't want anyone to take it.
Thank you so much.
You are a very honest girl.
Please, take this. You deserve it. No, I can't take your money. But can I have that bread?
Of course. Take this and this.
Really? For me?
You need it more than us.
Thank you. My grandma will be very happy. Grandma, look what I got.
You look happy today.
We can eat well tonight.
Where did you get this?
I stayed honest and helped someone.
I'm sorry I cannot give you a better life. You are everything to me.
We brought something for you. You don't have to do this. She helped us first. Do you go to school?
No, I want to, but I can't. Mom, can we help her?
Yes.
We will support her. You will go to school with me tomorrow. Thank you. I can go to school?
Yes, Lily. You can start a new life. John, I don't think I can do this.
Hey! What's wrong?
What if I fail? What if they laugh at me? They won't.
What if I make mistakes?
Hey, listen to me. Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn. You are strong. Strong? You took care of your grandma. You 20 to be highly. You stayed honest. You didn't give up.
I will try.
That's enough. Just try.
Class, we have a new student today. Her name is Lily.
Hello, my name is Lily. I'm happy to be here.
Lily, you can sit next to John. I don't understand. These numbers are confusing. It's okay. I will show you step by step.
She is strange. She doesn't know anything.
Hey! Stop that!
She is learning. She is trying. And she is better than you think.
Thank you for helping me. And for standing up for me.
Tomorrow we will have math again. I think you will do better.
Stop! Watch out!
What just happened? I didn't even see that coming.
You saved me, Lily. You helped me when I was scared. So now, I help you. Then we take care of each other. Come to my house today.
My grandma is making delicious food. You will like it.
Really? I'd love that.
It has been a long time since I felt this happy.
Today is special, Grandma. We have good food and a friend.
I feel lucky to be here. This place feels like home. You are a kind boy.
Thank you for standing by Lily.
She is the strong one. She inspires me too.
Here, have some more. Enjoy the meal, dear.
John, can we talk for a moment?
Sure, Mom.
What's going on? My company is opening a new office in another city. So we will have to move there. As a family.
Move? When?
Very soon, maybe in a few days.
A few days? I just started school with Lily. I don't want to say goodbye.
We understand. But we have to move.
Then I need to see her. I need to talk to her.
Of course. Slihalmanhan. Make it a good goodbye.
Lily, I came to tell you something. Why do you look like that?
My family, we are moving away in a few days.
Moving? So, you won't be here anymore?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. People come and go.
No, Lily. You are not just people to me. You are my first real friend. I brought this for you.
Promise me something else.
What is it?
No matter how hard life gets, no matter how scared you feel, don't stop going forward.
I promise. I will study hard. I will become someone better. I will not give up. I will miss you.
I will miss you too.
Every day was hard. Sometimes I felt tired. Sometimes I wanted to give up. But I remembered his words. And I kept going.
It's still not enough. I still can't pay for the surgery. I don't know what to do anymore. Lily?
John? Is that really you?
You look so different.
I followed your advice. I didn't stop.
You look sad. What happened?
My mom is very sick. She needs surgery. But I don't have enough money.
You don't have to worry. I will take care of it.
No, I can't accept that.
You are not taking anything from me. You gave me a chance when I had nothing. You stood next to me when I was afraid. If not for you, I wouldn't be here. So please, let me do this for you.
I only tried to help a friend. Thank you for saving my family.
You saved mine first.
We're friends forever.
Forever. Forever.